Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I'm going to go over a tip video with you on how to access the KWRI live streams. So this option is only available when KWRI is hosting a live stream class. But in order to access those live streams, you'll want to log into your command platform. From here, you're going to navigate to your Connect tab in the top banner. Now, once we click on that, you'll see the options over here on the left, and one of them is a red recording button that says live stream. So again, this will only be available when there is actually a live stream going at that time that you're in here. But in order to access that live stream, you just click on that button. It's going to bring you directly into the live stream. It's going to have you join. And then it's going to bring you into that class, okay? So you can join the chat. You can adjust the volume. You can do picture-in-picture, full screen. But this will allow you to access that class, watch it live. As you can see, we've got Gary and Jason on today. So this is the list to last live stream, okay? So again, you'll have that little live stream button there in Connect. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support email, support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a great day.